Hello, it's me, Jacko, and I'm very obedient.
Jacko, sit. Jacko, drop. Jacko, stay.
Like I said, I am very obedient, but I'm only pretending to be a fool to hide my secret identity. I am Super Dog, and my sidekick, Superboy. We are trying to save the world. We need to find a silver orb and put it on the sundial of truth, but we don't know where it is. I found the orb. It's in Africa. That's what I heard in Channel 12 News. And the person with it is a person called Harry, who wants world domination. Come on, we need to get through rugged bushland to get to Africa. Come on, quickly.
Let's go. We've been in here for ages. It's so hot.
Why not have this water?
Oh, gee, thanks. Fresh water. Oh, I better put this on so people don't know who I am.
What took you so long? The world is ending in 10 minutes.
Give me the orb.
Not until you get past my men.
Here you go.
Wait, it's a trap.
Well spotted, stupid dog.
So what happens now?
You have to get past me.
I'm gonna chuck this bomb at you.
That's a soccer ball.
Well spotted. The orb.
We need to go find the sundial.
Oh, my sandwich.
Are you eating a sandwich?
Yeah, I found this cool plate.
That's the sundial, fool.
Oh, really? I better put it on so the world doesn't end. Guess what? The world didn't end.
Oh no, it's you again! I thought you died!
Constable White! You're going to prison for a long time.
Never.
Bread.
No, I'm allergic to bread.
Sandwich.
No! My sandwich! No!
Hi, I am a random citizen. Congrats, you saved the world. What do you want in return?
A sandwich?